Having personally encountered the frustrating experience of a disabled Facebook profile and rigorously testing numerous approaches, I've pinpointed several effective strategies to address this issue, which I'm now going to detail for you. First, we tackle the direct appeal process. When Facebook disables a profile for community standards, it's often an automated flag. Appealing allows you to present your side, explain misunderstandings, and provide identification, directly challenging the initial decision and prompting a human review. Next, understanding Facebook's community standards is paramount. Many users inadvertently violate policies. Reviewing these guidelines helps identify the exact reason for suspension, crucial for a successful appeal and preventing future infractions. This method targets the root cause of potential policy breaches. Our third strategy focuses on securing your account. Sometimes, a profile is disabled because it was compromised by unauthorized users who then violated community standards. By scanning for malware, changing passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and removing suspicious apps, you regain control, proving to Facebook that any violations were not your doing and restoring the account to a secure state. Finally, if direct appeals or security measures don't yield results, contacting Facebook support directly is essential. This method provides a direct line to their support team, allowing you to escalate your case beyond automated systems. Providing detailed information and screenshots helps their representatives understand your situation, leading to a more tailored and often effective resolution. Each method systematically addresses different facets of a disabled profile, ensuring a comprehensive approach to reactivation.